again I will record it and I will send the link. Okay, fine. So these are the three view of control panel. You have to remember the name and you have to remember which is the default view. Category view. Category view is the default view. Okay. Then how to change the appearance of window. So this is related with the window. So you have to go to the category appearance, appearance and personalization. And from there you go to the personalization and you can change the theme of it. Okay. If you want to customize the taskbar, again you have to go to the appearance and personalization. Taskbar settings are there inside it. So previously जब हमको विंडोज चेंज करना था, we went to the personalization. This time we will go to the taskbar because you want to do the setting for the taskbar. So taskbar and start menu. We can hide the taskbar. How to do that? You just have to click here. See, there is an option inside the taskbar, auto hide the taskbar. If you check mark this, you can hide the taskbar, right? And when you want it back, you can again unmark it so you can see the taskbar again. Or the thing is, as soon as you take the mouse pointer over the bottom, you will see the taskbar. How to lock the taskbar? On the taskbar, you just have to do a right click. As soon as you do a right click, there is an option for locking the taskbar. Lock किस लिए lock करना है? मतलब आप taskbar को move नहीं कर सकते. Do you know that? You know that, right? We can move the taskbar to the right side of the screen, top, left, anywhere, wherever we want, we can put the taskbar. So once you move the taskbar, you want your taskbar to be there, you can lock it. So it will be there. आप mouse click करके move करोगे तो move नहीं होगा, right? So that is how you can lock the taskbar. Then from the control panel, अगर मुझे date and time I want to change it, so you have, there is a category clock, language and region. So you have to click clock, है ना, time से related है ना, date and time. So clock and language is the category. You have to click over there and there you will see the setting date and time. Date and time, जहाँ से आप change कर सकते हो. So see the icon change and date and time. Here you have to click and you have to change the date or time whichever you want it. Then मैंने उस दिन pointers trail के बारे में पूछा था, तो किसी ने मुझे पूछा कि मैम नहीं समझा pointers trail मतलब क्या होता है. So pointer trails are animated trails behind the mouse pointer which makes it easier to see it on the screen. तो trail मतलब mouse pointer के पीछे पीछे आता है, right? So आपको mouse से related कुछ भी setting change करना है, so you have to go to the hardware. See, mouse is a hardware, keyboard is a hardware, right? So you have to go to the category hardware and sound. So you have to go to the category hardware and sound, and in the hardware you have to go to the mouse. अगर आपको एक category view समझ में नहीं आता है, you can directly go to the larger icon, or you can go to the small icon. There you will directly get a mouse setting. So click on the mouse and then you can make change accordingly. So there are setting for double click, there are setting for the trails. Next, you can remove or uninstall a software saved on your computer. So basically the word is remove or uninstall, add or remove or uninstall. Sanika, I kept my mobile outside, so maybe now you will able to hear me out properly. So to remove or uninstall a software, what you have to do, you have to go to the programs. Whenever, बहुत बार ऐसा होता है ना कि you install some software and now you don't want that software. So you want to uninstall it. So how to uninstall it? Mobile की जैसे नहीं है, click किया, ऊपर drag किया तो uninstall आ जाता है और uninstall कर दिया. No, it is not that easy. So what you have to do, you have to go to the control panel, click on the programs, and there is option uninstall a program. So यहाँ पे remove करके word नहीं है, the word is uninstall a program. Right? So you have to click on uninstall a program. You will get a list of programs. आपको पूरी list मिलेगी which program you want to delete, uninstall. So you click on that particular, see here TuxPaint they want to install. So they have selected TuxPaint and there is an option uninstall. As soon as you click on uninstall, it will ask the reconfirmation. Do you really want to uninstall it? Then you have to select yes and then you can uninstall it, any software. So word is uninstall the software. This I'm not taking right now. Tablets for the revision purpose. You can read it. Let me quickly open the lesson number 3. I'll get back to your all doubts, but first let me cover up. At least आपकी नजरों के सामने से तो जाने चाहिए सारे lesson. Those who are new, at least उनको पता तो होना चाहिए कि what all things are there in this in the lesson, which we are going to take in the exam, right? तो उसके लिए okay, just let me share the screen. Yeah, so now my voice is clear to everyone. Okay, so the third lesson was purely on Word, which we have already seen. Okay. Yeah, so I forgot one thing. Who is the CEO of Microsoft? You can write your answer in the chat box. Who is the CEO? I think I put up this question in a practice worksheet. Who is the CEO of Microsoft? Yes, Sumit, answer is correct. Yes, Bhumi, answer is correct. So Satya Nadella, this is the name of the CEO of, yes, CEO of the company, right? See, अभी हमारे पास Google form नहीं है. So you should know the spelling of the name, right? आपको नाम का सरनेम का स्पेलिंग बराबर आना चाहिए. Yeah. So Microsoft Word 2010 is part of the MS Office package. अब ये MS Office package क्या है? This is a Microsoft Office package जिसके अंदर आपका Excel आता है, PowerPoint आता है, Word आता है, Paint आता है. So everything is under this package, right? So in our syllabus, lesson number 3, we are having Word. Okay. So basic you are not having. एकदम basic बच्चों वाला नहीं है आपको, because everything is covered, right? From 3rd standard they are having Word. Right? So the topic is finding and replacing text. How to find the text? Suppose you have 100 pages. उसमें से how to find any particular word or phrase and how to replace it with some other. So this is the icon for find. This is the icon for find, and you will get this in a home tab. As soon as you click on the home tab, you will get this in the editing group. So last में आपको मिलेगा ये find option. So in find what box you have to write whatever you want to find. जैसे कि मेरे पास पूरा 100 पेजेस का डॉक्यूमेंट है, उसमें से I want to find class 6. Class 6. This is what I want to find. So I will write class 6 over here. And if I want to replace it with some other word, जैसे कि मुझे class 6 को वापस class 5 replace करना है, right? मैंने class 6 के लिए एक डॉक्यूमेंट बनाया है. Same document I share it with a class 5 students. But उनके डॉक्यूमेंट में जहां पे भी class 6 है, वहां पे मुझे class 5 चाहिए. And class 6 का जो पहला C था वो small हो गया है. So I want to make it capital. So capital C class and 5. So what I'll do, find में I will write this. Can you see here replace tab is also there? Find के आगे replace tab है. Replace tab is here. So as soon as you click on replace, you can see 2 text box will come. In find, you will type the word which you want to find or a phrase which you want to find. And in replace with, you will type the word or phrase with which you want to replace. तो यहाँ पे मैं लिखूंगी small c LASS space 6. Here I will write capital C LASS space 5. And then I'll click replace all. So what will happen? By doing just one click, single click, you will replace all class 6 to class 5. अगर आप replace click करोगे, so one replacement you have to do. Suppose अगर 100 pages में वो 1000 बार आया है, so 1000 time you have to click replace. Instead of that, you can see replace all. So just by clicking once, you can replace it all. So you should know the steps to how to find it and how to replace it. Then there is a help button. So this is the icon question mark. Suppose you want to see, you are not getting any feature steps. You are not getting how to use that particular feature. So you can use the help. You can click the right corner help button on the ribbon and you will get the steps accordingly. Right. So see here, you can see insert a picture or a clip art. What is clip art organizer, sir? How to add or change the keywords from a clip. So you will get a results. Then hyperlink. Hyperlink is what? When you want to move quickly from one page to another page. That is called as the hyperlink. Utkarsh, आंखें बड़ी करो, आंखें बड़ी करो. So when you want to move from one page to another page by simply clicking a link, that is called as the hyperlink. उसको बोलते हैं hyperlink. Hyperlink का this is the icon. So I did a PDF scanning किया है मैंने इसका और I didn't use original color, इसलिए देखो clear नहीं दिख रहा है. But in your book, the icon is very much clear. It's like a globe ka icon and then infinity symbol at the bottom. So that is the icon for hyperlink. Okay. So hyperlink, आप किसी text को भी hyperlink बना सकते हो, आप picture को भी hyperlink बना सकते हो. So hyperlink मतलब क्या है? किसी भी text को जब आप click करते हो, it will redirect to some other page. It will directly take you to some other page. That is called as the hyperlink. It will connect multiple pages. Just by clicking, you can move to the next page. And how to use it? You just write the text, select the text, do the right click, you will get an option hyperlink. And then you have to give the path. आप इस text से जब click करेंगे तो आप कहाँ पे redirect करना चाहते हो? So you have to select the path, you have to select the file, folder, image, जो भी आपको open करना है उसके clip पे, आप उसको select कीजिए and click OK. And how to use it? अपना पावर पॉइंट या फिर नॉर्मल क्लिक के जैसा नहीं है, सिर्फ क्लिक किया तो ओपन हो जाएगा. नो, देयर इज कंट्रोल प्लस क्लिक. दिस इज द कीबोर्ड शॉर्टकट. हाउ यू कैन डू इज कंट्रोल दबा के रखना है और फिर आपको क्लिक करना है. देन ओनली द हाइपरलिंक विल बी ओपन विच इज इन योर वर्ड डॉक में. आपका जहां पे भी हाइपरलिंक है उसको ओपन करने के लिए व्हाट यू नीड टू डू, कंट्रोल की प्रेस इट एंड देन क्लिक. सो योर हाइपरलिंक विल बी ओपन. सेम थिंग आई एम रिपीटिंग अगेन. Not only for the text, you can use the hyperlink for the image also. आप image डाल दो और image के ऊपर right click करके add hyperlink, so that image will work as an hyperlink. See here it is given. You can also insert a picture and create a hyperlink on the picture. Same process, same steps you have to follow for that. Then drop cap. Drop cap मतलब क्या है? You must be reading a newspaper. So paragraph का first alphabet बड़ा होता है, bigger. So that is called as the drop cap. The first initial capital alphabet letter is coming in a large dropped capital letter. बहुत बड़ा alphabet है. देखो यहाँ पे example दिया है. This U is bigger. This T is bigger. So this is called as the drop cap, and this is the icon for drop cap. Line है और उसमें capital A बड़ा सा है. So that is the icon for drop cap. Okay, Utkarsh. And where it is? It is in a insert tab, drop cap, which is in a text box, Okay. So you can use this drop cap. Then the column format. Newspaper में कैसे देखो छोटे space में 3 column में divide किया जाता है, 2 column, 3 column. So if you want to do this column formatting, you can do this. So for that you have to go to the page layout and you have to click on columns. देखो यहाँ पे columns का icon है. So as soon as you click on columns, you can select how many columns you want to make. कितने कॉलम में उस पैराग्राफ को आपको डिवाइड करना है. सो यू सिलेक्ट द कॉलम नंबर, इट विल डिवाइड द कॉलम अकॉर्डिंग टू द नंबर्स व्हिच यू हैव एंटर्ड. Watermark is a dim imprint which come on the page at the background. On that image you can write it. So watermark मतलब क्या होता है? dim imprint. आप वहां पे कुछ टेक्स्ट भी डाल सकते हो, आप पिक्चर भी डाल सकते हो. So it is again in the page layout tab. Watermark कहाँ पे अवेलेबल है? It is again in the page layout tab, and this is the icon for the watermark. You can have your customized watermark. आप खुद का watermark बना के डाल सकते हो, राइट? जो आपने देखा होगा डू नॉट कॉपी करके पीछे आता है पेज के ऊपर, डॉक के ऊपर, उसके ऊपर लिखा रहता है कंटेंट, है ना? तो आप ऐसा इमेज भी डाल सकते हो. यू कैन हैव द इमेज ऑल्सो. सो सी हियर, picture watermark option is also available and text watermark option is also available. Then you can setting a line spacing. Line spacing मतलब how much spacing you want between two lines. आपको लाइन के बीच में कितना स्पेसिंग चाहिए. सो फॉर दैट यू हैव टू गो टू द पैराग्राफ ग्रुप, यू हैव टू गो टू द पैराग्राफ स्पेसिंग ग्रुप, और जहां पे 2 डायरेक्शनल एरो दिखेगा, दिस इज द आइकॉन 2 डायरेक्शनल एरो, मतलब लाइन के बीच में कितना स्पेसिंग चाहिए, हाउ मच गैप यू वांट, इसलिए वो 2 एरो वाला उसको आइकॉन दिया है. So 1.0, 1.5, 1.1, 1.2. So you can give the line spacing whichever you wanted. Same thing you can go line spacing for the paragraph also. Starting, beginning how much, ending how much, राइट, स्पेसिंग बिफोर, स्पेसिंग आफ्टर, आपके पैराग्राफ के स्टार्टिंग में कितना चाहिए स्पेस, पैराग्राफ के एंड में आपको कितना चाहिए। हाउ मेनी ओरिएंटेशंस, पेज ओरिएंटेशन मतलब जो वर्टिकल होता है दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द पोर्ट्रेट, जो हॉरिजॉन्टल होता है दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द लैंडस्केप, राइट। सो इफ दिस इज अगेन इन द पेज लेआउट ओरिएंटेशन, यू हैव टू, इसको बोलते हैं ओरिएंटेशन, राइट। एंड दिस लेआउट पोजीशन इज फॉर पेपर फॉर प्रिंटिंग, प्रिंटिंग के लिए ये बेसिकली आपको देखना है कि वर्टिकली आपको चाहिए और हॉरिजॉन्टली चाहिए। सो पोर्ट्रेट, लैंडस्केप। यू कैन सेट द मार्जिन, मार्जिन मतलब लेफ्ट, राइट, bottom, left, right, top, bottom. These are the four margins which are available. So you can keep the blank space around the edges. आपको blank space कितनी छोड़नी है, left से कितनी, right से कितनी, top से कितनी और bottom से कितनी. So that is called as the margins, which is again present in the page layout. Then we have seen macros. Macro is used to save your time to do the same task. वही टास्क करने के लिए आपको जब सेव टाइम करना है तो उसके लिए यू यूज द मैक्रोज। मैक्रोज का पूरा स्टेप मैंने प्रैक्टिकली दिखाया हुआ है। यू कैन रिकॉर्ड द मैक्रो, यू कैन क्रिएट अ शॉर्टकट, न्यू कीबोर्ड शॉर्टकट, जिससे कि आपका काम जल्दी हो जाएगा, राइट। सो एक्चुअली आई हैव गिवन अ डेमो फॉर इट, जस्ट फॉलो द स्टेप्स एंड डू इट। जो न्यू स्टूडेंट्स है वो लोग भी ये कर सकते हैं, और यू कैन सी द यूट्यूब वीडियो। फिर भी अगर समझ में नहीं आता है, so I'm there to explain you again, but only after the assessment. Assessment में practical नहीं है, आपको theoretical steps आ सकता है but practical नहीं है। मेल मर्ज, अगर आपको इनविटेशन भेजना है 1000 लोगों को, so instead of typing again and again, you can have the template ready and you can write their addresses on one side and just merge these two things. इनविटेशन एक टेम्पलेट बना दिया है, मेरे पास सबके नाम और एड्रेसेस है, मर्ज इट एंड यू कैन सेंड इट। तो इसमें तीन चीज इंक्लूड है, एक मेन डॉक्यूमेंट, द टेम्पलेट विच यू क्रिएट दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द मेन डॉक्यूमेंट, जिसमें इन्विटेशन बनाया है, डेटा सोर्स वेयर यू हैव रिटन द एड्रेसेस ऑफ द रेसिपेंट, एंड व्हेन यू कंबाइन दिस टू, third is the merging, that is called as the merging. So these are the three process you have to do for the mail merging: create main document, create a data source and merge it. So this is the icon for mail merge. To start mail merge, this is the icon for a merging process. So let me just stop sharing. Yeah. So questions. See, you have to read it. ऐसा only you cannot depend on the teacher. You have to do your own study as well. Completely you cannot depend. New student I can understand. उनका मैं समझ सकती हूँ. Their problem I can understand. Yes, Sanika, what is your doubt?
Ma'am, I confuse in maximize and minimize.
Minimize मतलब task bar पे minimize होके चला जाता है. When you click minimize ना, that window will go to the compress with to the taskbar. Taskbar के ऊपर आ जाता है. And maximize मतलब larger view, पूरा screen का view ले लेता है. That is maximize. Yes, Sumit.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You are having some doubt, no? Your hand is raised.
Ma'am, I was having that doubt that ma'am, you said that we have three control panel options to see that, ma'am.